Advice from the pros on how to make money online. Sit back and imagine the possibilities. No need for daycare. No boss telling you what to do. The ability to work where and when you want. No ceiling to your potential profits. Online work provides you with these possibilities, and this video will prepare you for this new online career. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Make a daily schedule. How much you earn online is determined by how persistent and dedicated you are. There isn't any way to get rich quick here. You must put your nose to the grindstone on a daily basis. Carve out a specific time frame daily. Even if you can only devote an hour for it at first, this will make a significant difference. If you have good ears and can type quickly, you might want to look into online transcription jobs. The beginning rates are usually low, but with time and practice, you can build up your skills to tackle some of the better paying jobs. Try looking on Odesk or Elance for some transcription work. Are you a grammar nut? Do you understand the nuances of the English language? Consider working as a copy editor. You can get paid to look over videos that were written by others, seeking out any errors in the work and then correcting them. The best part is that you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Design unique logos for some of the new startup sites on the web. This is a great way for you to show the talent that you have and also help someone out who is not artistically skilled. Negotiate the price with your client in advance before you provide your service. There are many opportunities for online tutors in subjects ranging from mathematics to language. Possible students are many and varied. You might teach your native language to people living in other countries via VoIP. Another possibility is to tutor school children, high schoolers or college students in a subject in which you specialize. You can work with an online tutoring agency or set up your own website to begin. If you are looking to make a few extra bucks online but don't want an actual job, you could always fill out surveys. Many researchers offer a couple of dollars for filling out surveys for them. Some companies will pay you via PayPal while others will send you a check. Online trading is a great way to make money. Capitalize on trends that you discover. Always ensure that you don't overspend and go over your budget, especially if you have early success. When you work online, the world is your oyster. You are free to do, act and be as you wish, but only if you know what you're doing. If you want to turn your online work into a profitable career, use the tips you've read today and make it happen. Student loan.